of this lecture is what? Science. Yes, artificial intelligence and data science. Okay. We are discussing this topic through as a student, because this topic is a very vast topic. This topic covers various engineering fields which requires years and years to learn. है ना? BE करना है, ME करना है तो 3 साल, 5 साल, 8 साल लगते हैं. So we cannot learn that topic in 45 minutes. So I have curated this topic simple and practical oriented so that you can understand what is AI and what is data science. Okay. So already I have explained the purpose of this lecture. It will be simple and practical again. We do everything for some reason. This lecture is organized for you, keeping in mind some objectives. Okay. So why should we learn as a student about AI? Why we should learn? Because AI is already part of our knowingly or unknowingly we are using it, we are consuming it. Some know it that he is using AI, or some doesn't know whether he is using AI or not. Okay. So anyway, we are using. So that's why we should learn about AI. The second reason is what? In the future, jobs are there, more jobs are there. Who possess the AI itself? That's why we should learn as a student about AI. Third reason is what? It increases or improves our creativity and thinking and reasoning abilities. Okay. The last and most important reason to learn about AI is what? To use it responsibly. If you don't use AI responsibly, wisely, it will ruin you. It will kill your creativity. If you are copy and paste technique, last reason, most important. What is that? Yes, we cannot adopt any technology blindly, because every technology has its pros and cons. So to use it responsibly, we should learn about AI. Okay? Yes. Got it? Before coming to our topic, our title is what? Artificial intelligence and data science. Two parts. Okay. So first we will explore what is artificial intelligence. So that word is having two parts. One is artificial, another is intelligence. So first of all, we will see what is intelligence. Okay. So to explain or to understand what is intelligence, just defining what is intelligence is not sufficient. We should know, understand what is actually the meaning of intelligence. Yes. So for that we will do some activities. Yes. In the beginning, Madam has introduced both of us. Okay? She has read the brief biodata of both of us. I am here. Our biodata came to you in two ways. Through listening, and one is watching. First slide was there. There was also something about I am here, and my name and details were there, and you heard the biota of us. Okay. Now some questions. I am here. Okay. Who are you? Yes. Very good. Very good. where I am? Very good. I did my Masters of Engineering in which field? Anyone? Yes, please.
Electronics.
Yes. Which electronics?
IT.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. We will close it here. Okay. I am not testing you. I want to explain you about the intelligence. Okay. So you came to know about me through what? Listening and watching. Yes. Please pay attention. This activity is not to distract you. Rather, it is to connect you. Okay. So you came to know about me. You came to learn something about me through what? Listening and watching. Okay. So it is the ability of human to learn. Yes. First. Second, humans have various abilities. Okay. Second ability is what? They think. Yes, human think. Yes, dear. Sun is bright and night is dark. Why? Why? Why I have asked this question? To think. To think. So human has the ability to think and find the reason. Find the reason. What is why this is? अभी हमने वो एक स्लाइड देखा है. Why should we learn AI? I have gave the reason. For reason. There is a reason. Okay. So second ability is what? Human can think. Okay. And when he learn, when he think, he is able to solve something. So another ability comes into picture. That is what? Problem solving. Yes. Third ability. Now whatever we are learning, we are thinking and we are able to solve. So we are able to take some actions, make some decisions, predict something. Yes. This is another ability. So how will define intelligence now? It is a human natural ability to learn, think, solve problems and make decisions. It is called intelligence. So tell me, anybody in the room is intelligent or not? Yes?
Yes,
These are the basic things everybody possesses. Now the level is different. Some are more intelligent, some are more super intelligence. Yes? And why? Because they learn more, they think more, they practice more. That's why their intelligence level is compared to others are more. So what is intelligence? What is intelligence? It is a natural ability to learning, reasoning, problem solving and it is a natural ability of whom? Human beings. Yes? Now comes into the picture. What is artificial intelligence now? What is artificial? Anybody can define now through this? Yes? Yes, please.
Artificial means by AI. It is the things which are given by the machine.
Yes, exactly. You are coming. Your words are not properly arranged, but you got it. Now, what is artificial? Same thing. The qualities or ability which possessed by human is artificially created in what? Machine. Is artificial intelligence. समझ में आया? Yes. So what is artificial intelligence? Say the machine ability to learning, reasoning, problem solving and so it is not a big thing. Artificial intelligence, AI. This is our ability. We have inbuilt that ability in what? That's why it is able to do the things like. So how we can define artificial intelligence? The intelligence artificially created in machine is, or in other way, The machine which can mimic the human behavior is called. Okay. Now, does computer and AI same? No. Why they are different? Just see the table. Depending on certain parameters, they are different. First parameter is function. How they do the task. So the computer do what? Whatever instructions provided to you. Nothing more than that. Okay? Got it? But AI learns from data and examples. So computer follows the instruction and give the output. AI take the input with examples and learn and give the output. Yes? Does computer have decision ability? Can it take decisions? No. No independent decision can be taken by. But AI makes smart decision because we have input the human decision capability in that machine. Computer is also a machine, but it is not a smart machine. It is a simple machine. Okay. Now learning ability is not there in computer, but AI possesses the learns and improves. It adapts the changes. Okay. We will explore it more again. Does the computer is intelligent or is a computer intelligent? No. But AI is intelligent. Now next, how AI works. What is internally there which makes it different from the computer. Yes? So I have shown block diagram here. So you can see that there are three processes: input, data, processing and action. So input is given to the AI model, AI machine or software. The input may be in the various form: images, text, numbers, audio and data from various sensors. If the temperature detector is there, it will show the temperature and accordingly the device can be controlled. This input is given to the AI model. What does the AI model do? It analyzes that data. It compares that data to which already it is trained. है ना, ये डेटा के ऊपर उसको ऑलरेडी ट्रेन किया जाता है. वो कंपेयर करता है और क्या करता है, फिर आउटपुट देता है. ओके, बेसिक समझ में. अब इसको हम एग्जांपल से समझेंगे. टेक वन एग्जांपल. ओके, what is that example? We captured the image of one cat and dog. Okay, it is given to AI. This AI model is similar to our brain. Brain has neurons. Yes, so it is called neural network. What? Artificial neural network. See, these neurons are connected to each other, back and forth, है ना, और combinations है. जैसा हमारा brain complicated है, वैसे ये network भी क्या है? Complicated. This image is given. This is a new image. Okay, you want this image should be recognized. Image recognition. So see what in output what we are getting. Same image with what? Identification. Name recognized हो गया. It is a cat and it is a. How it is possible? How it is? This model is able to do it. Now come to the main point. ये जो लाइन है ना, ये जो मॉडल है, ये हिडन है. ये हमको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा. हमने तो पिक्चर दिया, वो आइडेंटिफाई हो गया, लेकिन इंटरनली जो हिडन काम हो रहा है, दैट इज मैजिक. इसलिए एआई क्या लगता है? मैजिकल लगता है ना. कंप्यूटर लगता है कि मैजिक हमको, ये तो क्या है, मैंने जो बोला वही करेगा. लेकिन एआई हमको मैजिक लग रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो हिडन में इतना जो टास्क हो रहा है ना उनका पीछे, दैट इज व्हाट. अंडरस्टूड हाउ एआई वर्क्स? How chatbots are trained and developed. Anybody in the classroom know about chatbots? Any examples of chatbots? Yes, ChatGPT. Again,
Copilot.
Copilot. Yes, Perplexity. Yes, Gemini. Yes.
AI.
These are called what? AI chatbots. Yes, AI. How they are able to give the correct output. है ना? So see, billions of instructions and data is used to train AI models. जैसे हम लोग आप as a student, teachers are there to train you, books are there to train you, है ना? Various sources are there to train you. That's why you are able to perform. Na? So similarly, AI is an AI. Billions of data and instructions are used to train the AI. है ना? इसको ऑलरेडी वो पता है, इसलिए वो नई चीज को भी क्या कर रहा है? कोई कुछ भी क्वेश्चन दे दो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन दे दो, यू गेट सम आउटपुट. डिपेंड ऑन योर क्वेश्चन. आपने जिस दो लोग सेम क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं लेकिन अलग अलग तरीके से कर रहे हैं, यू विल गेट द डिफरेंट आउटपुट. यस, these are the list of general purpose AIs, and some AIs are for specifically for education. है ना? I am not going in detail because your time is precious. In brief, AI is in every field. Okay. Is there any field remain that AI is not covering? In every field. Okay. In healthcare, automobile, finance, surveillance, social media, entertainment, education, space, gaming, robotics, lot more. Okay. So AI is everywhere. Now, basically AI works in main three functional domains, categories. Okay. First is what? First domain is called data science. Okay. Which is based on data driven. Okay. तो उसको डेटा क्या रहता है? Numbers and stats. Okay. Second domain is what? Natural language processing. It is called NLP. The input to that domain is what? Text and देखो जो ये NLP आप जो chatbot देखा है आपने, it is based on this domain. We give the text input or voice input, and that gives the interactive, communicate with it. Okay. Now third domain is what? Computer vision. Vision is same. So that images and videos are given to take the. So from three domains we will take only first, that is data science. So first part of our topic is AI. I have tried to explore you that topic. Now come to the next topic is what? Data science. What is data science? What is data science? Data science is converting raw information or raw data into useful information, है ना? और turning data into knowledge and how it performs four operations basically. What? Data collection, data analysis, machine learning and data analysis. Through data collection, in data collection what we do or what it takes, it collects raw data from files, sensors, surveys, and whatever information we can apply is collection of data. That data is analyzed. Okay. For what purpose? Finding insights. वो डेटा के अंदर क्या है ना? जैसे आपका एग्जाम चल हो गया है प्री बोर्ड का, आपके डिफरेंट मार्क्स आ गए. Who is the topper? Who is the slow learner? Who got the more marks? This is what analysis. The data information is what? Your marks. Analysis is what? They are doing. है ना? Sorting करके सब करते हैं. वो analysis हो गया. और वो विजुअलाइजेशन की जैसे आप उसको दिखा सकते हो. चार्ट हो गया, कुछ शीट हो गया. That is visualization. Okay. इसमें आपको एक अननोन चीज दिख रही होगी. क्या है? Machine learning. Yes. So machine learning (ML) is a part of AI, subset of AI, which is required to perform डेटा एनालिसिस। जो भी आपने डेटा गैदर किया है उसके अंदर आपको कुछ काम की चीज निकालना है, तो आपको किसको देना पड़ेगा? वो मशीन को ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा वो डेटा देना। देन दैट विल गिव यू व्हाट? आउटपुट। ओके, इन ब्रीफ आई हैव ट्राइड टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज डेटा साइंस। ओके, as AI is used in different fields, data science is has its application. Okay, so from e-commerce, manufacturing, banking, healthcare, transport and finance. I have taken two examples to show you how data science is used in. So in e-commerce, how it is used? Everybody knows Amazon, Flipkart, these are called which sites? E-commerce. Yeah, e-commerce. So we do the purchasing online. So every site, purchasing site has our data history, browsing history, what we have searched and what we have purchased. They have their our data in their website. So next time whenever we search some new products, we observe recommendation for you. Yes, and customers are also, और ये दो सेक्शन आते हैं हमारे सामने. How these are coming? Based on our data stored in their website. So this is the example of data science. How data science is used in e-commerce. Next, I have tried to take one example of in healthcare, image analysis. बोला CT scan, MRI जो होता है ना, उसको कैसा एनालाइज किया जाता है डेटा साइंस में. मेडिकल इमेज जो भी है आपकी एक्सरे, MRI, CT scan is converted into what? Data. See, this is, we are dealing with digital world, and digital means what? What is the digital? 0 and 1 only. Binary, 0 and 1. कंप्यूटर को कौन सी लैंग्वेज समझते हैं? बाइनरी. So whatever information is there, first need to convert into digital form. Okay. So image is converted into some patterns which consist of pixels and फिर उसको क्या करता है? AI अपना काम करना शुरू करता है. जो भी डेटा है, previous history of that or whatever, it applies to it and give suggestion or detect some problem. Okay. Now we have seen what is AI, artificial intelligence, what is data science. Now see at last, what is it? Data science is what? Analysis of large database to give useful information or solution. Yes, data science. What is AI? It is a programming of machines to think like basic difference. Data science and yes. Now, what is the relationship between or among AI, ML, and DS? DS means what? Okay, so they are interlinked. Basically, one broad field is what? AI. उसका सब पार्ट क्या है? ML. Data science uses AI and ML to analyze. मतलब AI उनको यूज कर रहा है, और डेटा के बगैर AI useless. Because through a data only we are training the AI system machines. So they are interlinked to each other. Okay, just like our family, every member is important in home. Yes, it depend on each other. AI is used for smart learning apps. Name anyone smart learning app? Duolingo? Yes? Yes? ChatGPT is not a learning app. It is a chat. Duolingo app है ना? Duolingo करके एक app it is a. So second application as a student is what? Language translation. If you want to convert some Marathi text into Marathi, Tamil into English or whatever, vice versa, you can do it. You can, as a student, you can use these AI tools to solve your doubts. Don't adopt this technology to just copy and paste. It will ruin you. आपको बर्बाद कर देगा, क्योंकि आपकी थिंकिंग एबिलिटी आपने उसको ट्रांसफर हैंड ओवर कर दिया ना, सरेंडर कर दिया, आप ही कर देंगे. So use AI properly. आपको करना है. If you don't use, you will be slow in this fast world. You can use the AI to solve your problems. Doubts only, yeah, not complete problems. Content creation. PowerPoint presentation बनाने के लिए content create करना है. Days are gone to write the things and type the things and get it done. You should be clear in your mind what you want. This. Take the content from AI and choose what you want from it. Don't copy and paste and slide. As a student, what we do? Our content देखो सिर्फ written रहता है वहाँ पे, theory रहता है. So who will listen to you? If you are giving everything on board, so they will read from the board. Why will listen to you? As a content creator, or you want to deliver something, nobody will listen. Nobody will see to you what you are saying. They will see what is written over there. So useless. So if you want to create contents, you can use AI tools, but do it smartly, wisely. Okay. What careers are there after or through this technology? You can become a data scientist, robotics engineer, AI or ML engineer, AI engineer, game developer. AI is used in medicine, law and education, every sector. Okay, so there are a lot of career opportunities in this field of AI and DS. Okay. Now what to do as a student? What to do? You have to start लॉजिकल. सोचते तो सभी है, लेकिन उसके पीछे लॉजिक लगा तो काम बन जाएगा. ओके. Your mathematics basics should be strong. If not, improve. Okay. Basic languages, programming skills. So recently, or most universal language right now is what? Python. Okay. Scratch जो अर्ली एजुकेशन से शुरू हो गया है ना, स्क्रैच हो गया. एंड स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग क्रिएटिविटी. ओके, अलग तरीके से भीड़ से हट के सोचना शुरू करो, तभी आप कुछ कर पाओ. ओके, और ये करने के लिए थोड़ा इथिक्स को फॉलो करना है. व्हाट इज इथिक्स? सही और गलत क्या है वो सोच के करना. फॉलोइंग द blindly कुछ भी कर रहे हो, that is not okay to use AI. What takeaways and message from this lecture? I am stopping here. Now I have provided some instruction or written material to read it. Okay. Finished? Yes. Yes, my dear. What first takeaway from this lecture? Yes. क्या मिला आपको ये lecture?
We got to know about AI.
Yes, very good. Message क्या मिला?
Sir, we should know that the use of AI is have both the effects, harmful effects also and positive effects.
Very good. Very good.
If we do not use the AI wisely, then our thinking ability will get.
Very good. Clap for it. Very good. Yes. So what is first takeaway? AI is a tool, not a threat. देखो अभी क्या चल रहा है मालूम है? AI सबकी जॉब लेके चला जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. सुनते हैं ना आप लोग? जॉब चले जाएगी होगा. जॉब किसी की नहीं जाएगी. किसकी जाएगी जॉब? जो AI को अडॉप्ट नहीं करेगा. सिंपल रूल. जो खाली जगह बचती है ना उसको कोई ना कोई फिल करेगा। आपने अगर एआई की जगह खाली रखी है, वहां आप जा नहीं रहे हो, तो somebody will go। और आप बैठ के बोलोगे मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, मुझे यही रहना है, तो आपको हटाए कि दूसरे को लाएंगे, उनकी जॉब है। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? और एक ध्यान दें, एआई में क्या है मेन इंपॉर्टेंट? डेटा। डेटा इज अ पावर, डेटा इज इंफॉर्मेशन की। आज की दुनिया में सब इंफॉर्मेशन दिख रही है। देखो यूट्यूब पे देखे हम लोग वीडियो क्रिएट करके क्या अर्निंग कर रहे हैं, है ना? अब वो इट इज अ डिफरेंट मैटर दैट उसमें से कितनी सही होती है कितनी गलत होती है वो अलग डिबेट है, बट दे आर अर्निंग यूजिंग व्हाट? डेटा। लर्निंग एआई अर्ली गिव्स एन एडवांटेज। आप एज ए स्टूडेंट अर्ली एज में हो, आपने अडॉप्ट कर लिया अभी से, आपको जॉब पे जाने के बाद पता चला कि एआई को अडॉप्ट करना है तो बहुत देर हो गई, लेकिन यू आर इन द अर्ली स्टेज। इफ यू आर अडॉप्टिंग, यू आर preparing your mind to adopt the AI, so it is advantage. Yes. Students who understand AI will shape their future more better compared to others. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ AI वाले करेंगे बाकी सब घर को करेंगे, but they will have edge over others. Okay. So what is the roadmap to enter into the field? Yes, basically it is an engineering field, not science, medical science. Understood? अब इसके दो तरीके हैं. After 10th you can enter in this field by doing polytechnic diploma which is of 3 years. कितने साल का है वो? आपको 11th 12th करने की जरूरत नहीं है। वो जो 2 साल आप उधर जा रहे हो, अगर आपने इधर किया तो क्या होगा? The diploma course is what? It is a foundational course from basics, और ये सारा जो प्रैक्टिकल है ना डिप्लोमा में पढ़ लो। आपने डिप्लोमा किया 3 साल का पॉलिटेक्निक, you are eligible to take the admission in degree level, that is BE, Bachelor of Engineering, और वो भी आपको डायरेक्ट सेकंड ईयर में मिलेगा। अब अगर सेकंड ऑप्शन, अगर आप 12th के बाद करना चाहते हो, आपने 10th के बाद 11th 12th किया, अब आपको जाना है ये फील्ड में, तो आपको कहाँ मिलेगी एडमिशन? 11th 12th के बाद में आपको डिग्री में मिलेगा फर्स्ट ईयर में। लेकिन आपने 10th के बाद पॉलिटेक्निक किया तो आपको डिग्री में डायरेक्ट सेकंड ईयर में एडमिशन मिलेगा। क्लियर? वन मोर, आपको इंजीनियरिंग में जाना है तो आपको एक एग्जाम देना होता है, व्हिच वन? जेईई आईआईटी के लिए, और अगर महाराष्ट्र में करना है तो उसका प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ेगा। यस, 11th 12th में मैथ देना पड़ेगा, उसकी प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ेगा। बोथ ऑप्शंस आर, so one option is what? Going through polytechnic way and going through 11th way. Yes, you have to decide it which way is better, है ना? सबके अपने अपने रहते हैं दिमाग में, उसको एक सिर्फ गाइडेंस चाहिए थोड़ा सा हल्का सा कि क्या किधर जाना है ना। जब हम कहीं जाते रास्ते में एक शहर में पहुंचते, जैसे हम कोई यहाँ स्कूल में आना था, हमने वहाँ पे पूछा कि स्कूल किधर जाना है, हम जल्दी पहुंच गए ना। हम अपने ही रास्ते से चलते रहते तो हम थोड़ा सा गलत रास्ते पे भी जा सकते हैं ना। तो ये सच लेक्चर्स आर यूजफुल टू टेक द फ्यूचर डिसीजन। यस, गॉट इट? बहुत सारा है लेकिन मैंने उसको आपको शॉर्ट में बता दिया। देयर आर डिफरेंट इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांचेस थ्रू विच यू कैन एंटर इनटू दिस फील्ड। डिप्लोमा इन कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग, डिप्लोमा इन एआई एंड एमएल, diploma in data science, diploma in IT, one more branch is there, diploma in electronics and computer engineering. Yes, कोई भी ब्रांच को लग के आप ये फील्ड में करियर बना सकते हो। ओके, फ्रॉम वेयर आई एम? Dr. N.P. Irani Institute of Polytechnic. In that we have 6 courses. First one is diploma in civil engineering, diploma in mechanical engineering, diploma in computer engineering, diploma in electrical engineering, diploma in electronics and computer engineering, and diploma in artificial intelligence and yes sir, ये तो तुम अपने मार्केटिंग के लिए आ गए। नो, वी हैव नॉट हियर। हमको आया था एक इन्विटेशन कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा लेना है, तो वी एग्रीड अपॉन और जब आए तो कुछ काम करके तो जाना पड़ेगा ना भाई, है ना। और एक स्लाइड लिया है मैंने पूरे प्रेजेंटेशन में अपनी बात रखने की। यस, नॉट टेकन मच ऑफ योर टाइम। सो इन केस यू वांट टू कॉन्टैक्ट, इन केस you can note down our number, my name, sir's name, number, and you can take smart decision, think smart, choose polytechnic if you wish to enter into the AI and data science field. It doesn't mean only to choose the AI and data science. There are other engineering branches, mechanical, civil, electrical. That also you can, and it's not compulsory that you come to our college only. You can go IITs, you can go to the Pune, and okay. Thank you. Go to Pune, जहाँ पे भी क्लासेस, लेकिन आपके दिमाग में ये होना चाहिए कि ये है, ये पाथ है, अब मुझे डिसीजन लेना है कि मुझे क्या करना है। ओके, मैकेनिकल में हाउ एआई इज यूज्ड। मैकेनिकल में आपने रोबोटिक्स सुना है? रोबोटिक्स इज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ एआई ओनली। सो इन फ्यू मिनट्स आई विल आस्क मस्के सर बिकॉज ही इज HOD in mechanical department. So in few minutes he will explain how AI is used or what is robotics over. Okay. So thank you very much for patient listening. And if you have serious questions, seriously, if anybody.
Because at our age, such technology and such knowledge and such approach was not there. But nowadays, the field is very interesting. The new technology and new advancement and new research comes in the field of this artificial intelligence, AI and DS. And you know that with the help of this, you are getting the extra knowledge and a very precise knowledge within a minimum time. It requires a very minimal time and accuracy, and you are more accurate with the AI tools and data science. And I am not actually the part of this electronics and telecommunication, but sir already told you this AI is cover the very vast area, vast fields like your healthcare, business, e-commerce, our automobile sectors, and each and every sector. Okay, so I belongs to the mechanical engineering, so I will give one example to you, just for imagining and how the AI is helpful to us, not only that particular field, but also other engineering field and any medical and any kind of fields in the education sector. I will give one example to you. आपने टोयोटा गाड़ी का नाम सुना है? टोयोटा पॉलिस या फिर टोयोटा की कोई गाड़ियां आती है, आई थिंक इनोवा भी उसका ही है, ठीक है। सो डू यू नो हाउ मच टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मैन्युफैक्चर वन टोयोटा कार? कैन यू इमेजिन और कैन यू टेल मी, कैन यू गेस इट? हाउ मच टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड टू कंप्लीट वन कार, वन टोयोटा कार? One day? Sure. Okay. One of the say 1 day. Anyone? 1 week. Okay. One of the say is 1 month. Okay, it's so very good. Now, any manufacturing the car, especially the Toyota car, Toyota developed one of the system is TPS, Toyota Production System. Is a very advanced system. Any other type of manufacturer of the car don't have such type of facility and advancement. They are just trying to achieve that particular TPS system of the Toyota car of Toyota company. So basically to fabricate and to assemble and that some stamping and welding and some other work which is required to manufacture any car, they required near about 17 to 22 hours to complete the one car with the all manufacturing process that I already told you. Okay, which type of processes? Welding, stamping, then other type of framing and etc. It required how many? 17 hours to 22 hours to complete one car. But this Toyota system, that is Toyota production system, in short we can say it is TPS. So this system developed such a technology and such type of methodology with the use of robotics. Robotics is one of the part of AI that sir already told you in details. I will not explain much more on that. So with the help of this, they develop such type of production line. Such type of production line, you can't imagine. They can produce one car on that production line with the help of robotics and AI tools. They just need 60 seconds to manufacture a one car. Can you imagine this? 60 सेकंड का मतलब होता है खाली 1 मिनट में एक टोयोटा कार बाहर निकलती है. You can't imagine what kind of advancement and what kind of the helpful that AI with the help of in the field of manufacturing. हम ये इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते कि 1 मिनट में एक कार निकल सकती है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करके. ऐसा प्रोडक्शन लाइन उन्होंने वहां पे डेवलप किया है. तो दिस विल बी हेल्पफुल बाय दी रोबोटिक्स and artificial intelligence and along with the data science. Can you imagine anybody? अगर आप किसी बाहर वाले आदमी को बताएंगे कि भाई 1 मिनट में एक कार प्रोड्यूस होती है, तो उसकी इमेजिनेशन के बाहर है कि हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल, हाउ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Such type of tools and such type of technology is covered by each and every sector. Not only the engineering sector but every sector. So now it's time to aware with this technology, okay, and to think about that particular area and field when you want to become a you can say in future if you want to choose this particular field as a profession. So now this is the right time to think on that, and I think this lecture delivered by our colleague Professor Manzoor sir on the AI DS will be helpful to you as a spark to in your future, and definitely helpful to become a very good technician and a good engineer in the field of AI and data science. So I will not take much more time because your faces are already tired. You are waiting for your lunch or whatever. So thank you very much for your patience. Because at our age